Hello, everyone. My name is Andran Ali, the Bazooka Prophet, and today we're going to be talking about the last episode on the naming of alcohol. And in this one, it is called the IUPAC system of naming of alcohol, the IUPAC system. We've talked about in our previous video the common system. We've also talked about the carbonyl system. Now is what we call the IUPAC system. Now, in the IUPAC system, take note, alcohol is now named as alkanol from the word, from the derivative of alkane, in which the E is dropped and OL to give us the alkanol. Now, in naming of the IUPAC system, it is very, very simple. The rules are very, very simple. And in this rule, the first step or the first rule is that you are to name the longest continuous carbon atom or carbon chain. The longest, that should be your first aim. And that secondly is that you have to name your alcohol and the hydroxy group, which is the functional group, which tells you the chemical property, is taking of interest, in which all your naming is going to the closest to the hydroxy group, closer to the hydroxy group. So it means that if I am having OH and other substituents that are below the priority units of the alkanol, I will start my naming from the side, from the shortest possible number of the to the what now, to the hydroxy group, and the position of that hydroxy group will be indicated, which we will see some example. Now, there are some functional groups that are of higher priority compared to that of alcohol. An example of which we have the alkanoic acid, the esters, the aldehyde, the ketones, and the ones that alcohol is of higher priority include the amides, the alkanes, the alkynes, the ether, and the priority trend is what you can see right here on the board. Now we'll be taking some examples, and I'll be using to explain what I meant by those rules. And the first on the list is the first structure here, in which you have to name the longest here is a three carbon here, which is this one is very easy. So you have to number from the side closest to the hydroxy group, which is here, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. And the naming of this, because it is a 3 carbon, to the propan, you indicate the position of the hydroxy group, which is position 1 now, which is propan 1 or very simple. Now in this case here now, you number from this side again, 1, 2, 3. You're having a substituent here. So here becomes, which is an halide. Remember that alcohol is of greater priority compared to halide. Halide is in the list here. So here becomes 3 chloropropan 1 or. Remember, be careful of your comma and dash. Knowing where to put them will give you lesser risk. You see now, when you're having just a number before you go to a letter, take note, dash is used. But when you're having two numbers, like 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 to name a particular structure or substitute, you put comma, 2, 3, then dash the substituent here, not 2 dash. Please take note. So 3 chloropropan 1 or. Now, in this case, the longest here will be 1, 2, 3. That's the longest. So here become propan. You indicate the position of the hydroxy group, which is at position 2 now. Propan 2 or. Then we'll move to this one. And now, if you recall that hydroxy group is of higher priority compared to alkene, which is a double bond here. So you have to start your numbering from here. So here becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and the position of this double bond is at position 4. So if I have to name it, here become 2. See now, 2 pent, because the 5 carbon now, 2 pentene, then 1 or you can as well say pentan 4E1 or. You are still on track. You are still correct. Now, in this case here, yeah, very simple. If you observe, you are having 2 hydroxy group here. So you have to choose for which side to name it from. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the subsequent here are now named, which is 2, 3 now. That's 2, 2, 3 dimethyl, 2, 3 dimethyl. Okay, butan 1, 4 diol. Okay, now in this case, say that we number, and the number here, I just need to here become 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here becomes here becomes, please take note, here becomes 5, which is penta 2, 4 di, that's okay, di 1 or. Very, very correct. Or you can say penta 2, 4 di 1 or you can also say 2, 4 penta di. That's 2, 4 penta di 1 or. You are still on track. Then lastly, now remember that in our last rule we gave that if you are having priorities that are of higher functional group compared to hydroxy group, so the hydroxy group takes what we call an hydroxy. So the name is retained as hydroxy, not longer an alkanol. So and the number will start from the functional group that is of higher priority. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then become 4 hydroxy butanoic what now? That's butanoic acid. That's butanoic what now? Acid. Now this ends the last episode of the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. Now our next and subsequent video will be diving into the reactions. You'll be seeing how easy reaction mechanisms are for alcohol family. Now, please do well to share and subscribe, and as well your comment if you have any possible questions. For now, God bless you.